Okay, thanks for joining me back again. I finally figured out how to change this light, this low beam light. So now that I've gotten it out, I'm going to put it back in now, trying not to touch the bulb. This is the bulb. Put it inside. Hopefully it's in correct. Then all I need to do is plug it back up. And once I've plugged it back up, I'm going to test it to make sure that it comes on. I think there's a certain way it goes in, but it does have a clamp where I need to clamp it so that it stays in. And this was the hardest part, the hardest thing to do. Let's get that clamp on there. Took me a while to figure it out, but I finally figured it out. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. Now clamp that in, and I'll be done. There you go. Yeah, let me see if it'll come on. The bulb has been installed back in the area. Let's just hope it comes on. It's in that area, that right there. Oh my goodness. Oh God.